All my life, I thought olive oil was only for cooking until my grandmother used it to ease her knee pain, and the results were absolutely unbelievable. You'll be surprised by how simple, familiar ingredients can help soothe discomfort, keep your joints warm, and improve flexibility day by day, especially beneficial for middle aged and older adults. Stay tuned until the end of the video to discover this natural secret. The first ingredient we'll prepare is bay leaves. You can use fresh leaves if you have them in your garden or dried ones from the store. Both work equally well. Take about 10 leaves, then cut them into small pieces to help release their natural oils and nutrients more effectively during the preparation process. As you cut them, you'll notice the warm, soothing aroma of bay leaves filling the air. That's the natural essential oil being released. These oils have anti-inflammatory properties, help relax muscles, and stimulate blood circulation, making them especially beneficial for those who often experience joint pain, swelling, or stiffness. Bay leaves alone are already a wonderful gift from nature, helping your legs and knees feel more relaxed and comfortable every single day. Next, we'll add black pepper, a tiny ingredient with incredibly powerful effects. You'll need about 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that helps stimulate blood circulation, warm the body, and ease joint stiffness. Its distinct spicy aroma not only brings a pleasant, comforting sensation, but also helps relax the mind and soothe muscle and joint tension. When both your body and mind are relaxed, the relief effect becomes even more noticeable. Now, we move on to the next ingredient, garlic, a familiar kitchen staple that's also considered a natural miracle healer. You'll need 5 cloves of garlic. Peel them carefully, then chop them finely to fully release their beneficial compounds. Though humble garlic is a golden remedy in many traditional recipes for reducing inflammation, easing swelling, and strengthening bones and joints, it's packed with sulfur and selenium, 2 valuable minerals that help improve joint flexibility, enhance blood circulation, and soothe pain or stiffness. Before we continue, a quick question for you. If you know any natural ways to relieve joint pain, don't hesitate to share them in the comments so everyone can learn together. As soon as you cut into the garlic, you'll notice its sharp, distinctive aroma spreading through the air. That's the allicin being released. This natural compound has powerful anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Thanks to these qualities, garlic doesn't just help reduce swelling and pain, but also improves blood circulation and helps keep your joints flexible and comfortably warm. Add the chopped garlic to the glass bowl containing the bay leaves and black pepper. Then pour in about 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil, a rich source of vitamin E and natural antioxidants. Olive oil not only helps soften the skin, but also serves as a perfect carrier oil, allowing the herbal essences to infuse and absorb more effectively. When olive oil combines with bay leaves, black pepper, and garlic, their anti-inflammatory properties are activated, creating a powerful blend that penetrates deep into muscle tissue, helping to relieve pain, reduce swelling, and ease the heaviness in the joints. Now that we have bay leaves, black pepper, garlic, and olive oil all prepared, it's time for the most important step, extracting the herbal essence. Gently heat the mixture using a double boil method to allow the active compounds from the herbs to fully release and infuse into the oil. Keep the heat low and simmer for about 20 minutes, just enough for the oil to warm up and gradually absorb the beneficial properties of the garlic, pepper, and bay leaves. This slow process helps create a natural and effective joint care blend rich in anti-inflammatory and soothing compounds that support flexibility, relieve pain, and improve circulation around the joints. My grandmother is now over 70 years old. There was a time when her knees were so swollen and painful that even taking a few steps made her wince in pain. But instead of buying medicine or visiting a clinic, she quietly used a simple remedy bay, leaves black pepper and garlic infused in olive oil, gently warmed and massaged onto her knees every night before bed. At first, I thought it was just another harmless, old-fashioned habit. But after a few weeks, she began walking more comfortably, no more groaning in pain. It felt almost miraculous. Now my mother follows the same routine, and both of them say the same thing. You don't need expensive medicine. Just stay patient and trust in nature. When finished heating, turn off the stove and let the mixture cool down. Then carefully remove the bowl and allow it to cool completely. Once it's no longer hot, strain the mixture through a fine sieve or a clean cloth to remove the solid residue, keeping only the clear golden and pleasantly fragrant oil. This is your pure herbal oil extract rich in nutrients and active compounds from bay leaves, garlic, and black pepper, a natural elixir that helps soothe inflammation, improve circulation, and relieve joint discomfort effectively. This oil is meant to be massaged onto areas with joint pain, swelling, or stiffness. Once absorbed, the natural compounds from garlic, pepper, and bay leaves help stimulate blood circulation, reduce inflammation, warm the muscles, and restore joint flexibility after just a few uses. It's a completely natural and chemical-free method, safe, and especially beneficial for middle-aged and elderly individuals. Store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to keep the oil fresh and effective for longer. Now that you have your herbal joint relief oil, it's time to relax, unwind, and enjoy the soothing results of this simple, time-tested remedy. When using it, simply take a small amount of the oil and apply it directly to the affected joints, such as the knees, wrists, shoulders, or ankles. Gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes in circular upward motions to stimulate blood circulation. You'll soon feel a pleasant, warming sensation spreading through the area. That's the moment the oil begins to penetrate deeply and work its natural magic, soothing discomfort and helping your joints relax. Next, wrap the treated joint with plastic wrap. Then cover it with a warm towel to retain heat. The gentle warmth helps the herbal essence penetrate deeply into the muscles and tissues, reducing inflammation, soothing pain, and bringing a sense of relief and relaxation. After about 1 hour, remove the wrap and wipe the area with a clean towel. You'll immediately notice that your joints feel looser, lighter, and much more comfortable. After just a few uses, you'll start to notice a real difference. Joint pain gradually eases. your skin feels softer, and that heavy, tired feeling in your arms and legs fades away. The oil also keeps the skin hydrated, making it especially beneficial for older adults whose skin tends to dry out due to reduced circulation. With consistent use, this natural blend helps reduce inflammation, increase flexibility, and nourish the joints, leaving you with a soothing warmth and lasting comfort every single day. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.